But congratulations.
Thank
I
you.
saw the photos, I saw the videos. You graduated.
Yes, I did.
From the Los Angeles Film School,
Uh-huh.
Bachelor of Science in Entertainment Business Management. Ganda naman, summa cum laude.
Thank you. I take it with pride.
Of course.
Because it takes a lot of determination,
hard
of course, hard work, discipline, and mind you, I'm also perfect attendance, no late.
Oh,
Yeah. So
proud.
I'm really focused when I was doing it, and so when I graduated with honors, I was really very
Gaano
proud of
katagal yun?
myself. 2 years.
Galing. At saka, anong ibig sabihin ng Bachelor of Science, tapos yung Entertainment Business Management? Exactly, ano yun?
So it's basically business management, but it's all
Focused on
entertainment business.
Galing
so
naman.
all about the business and entertainment.
Okay.
Yan.
Bakit yun ang napili mo?
I think because of my background also as an actor, di ba?
Lahat,
So
oo.
eventually, parang gusto ko, I wanna be a producer, I
Yun.
wanna be creating concepts and produce it, and you know.
More than directing, more than acting, yun yung lagi kong naririnig sa'yo. Gusto mong mag-produce.
Yes.
Okay.
But I wanna direct also. I wanna
Of
be a
course.
filmmaker. But in the end, I wanna be that filmmaker who produces, who directs, who acts, you know.
May mga specific na plano ka na ngayon? Kung ano ang iyong gagawin dito sa path na ito?
Yes. In fact, I'm already, parang meron na akong mga na-develop na concept. So I'm creating decks.
Okay.
And then, nandun na ako meron akong isang concept na pinapakipag-usap sa producer already, finding fundings for it. So basically, I'm doing the route of a independent filmmaking.
That's right.
So nandun yung route ako.
Na maraming mga kaibigan tayo sa Amerika na yun ang ginagawa, that path, no?
Yes.
You create a concept, tapos aghahanap tayo ng financier,
Funding for it.
Pero karamihan sa mga concept na ito, director ka ba, producer ka ba, arte ka ba?
Iba-iba. Meron ako mga konsepto na mainly just an actor. And then meron akong konsepto mainly as a director. At meron din akong konsepto as a producer. And then also I'm acting in it. Depende dun sa istoryang naiisip ko. Kung
Pero
saan ako
halimbawa,
gagawin.
magkaroon ka ng mga offers, Bibi, dito sa Pilipinas, to do series or a movie, bukas ka naman.
Oh yeah, I'm more than willing. Of
Uh-huh.
course, syempre, hindi naman lahat pwede mong gawin on your own, no? I'm still looking forward to working with the directors. We have really good directors now. And then, syempre, gusto ko rin makatrabaho for example, GMA, ang gaganda ng mga teleseryeng nakikita ko dito. So, I wanna be a part of that also.